It is Wind Down Wednesday. Thank you for the Sarasota-Manatee Originals for bringing that to all of us. We're in our Rice's Appliance Kitchen with one of the originals, owner Hal Christensen from Harry's Continental Kitchen. We have to zoom the camera out when the big man is in the kitchen.
We're all in our highest
heels. We're wearing our highest heels and we still look like shrimps. So we love it when you're with us. A lot of fun. Tell us about Oysters Rockefeller.
Well, no shrimps today. We got oysters.
We're the shrimps.
It's an oyster kind of month. October is traditionally when oyster season starts for local or Florida oysters.
Okay.
You know, you got the cooler water, less bacteria, less risk of the bad things that oysters can bring.
But you're not using Gulf oysters, you said.
These are Gulf oysters.
Okay,
so this is when you can start using them again back in October. They say the rule is they end in R. So today we're making Oyster Rockefeller. We're going to shuck a couple oysters, but I'm going to get this sauce going because it does take a minute. So we're going to start with a little butter.
All right, looks
Stand back, ladies.
Okay. Ooh, that is a hot pan. Maybe the firemen will come.
You know, I'm still getting used to your oven here.
There we go.
We're going to put the spinach in, and we're going to turn this down. You never tell. So, first thing we do is put butter in, because everybody loves butter, right?
Right.
And then we have the fresh spinach, and that was like a pound of spinach. It's going to cook down.
Okay.
It's going to cook down.
Spinach looks like nothing once it's cooked. It's unbelievable.
Yeah, you can always put more in if you feel like you need more.
Yeah.
We have shallots.
Okay.
And we have garlic. Good amount of each.
So that goes in after the spinach?
Yeah, because it would have literally burnt if I would have put it in first.
Okay.
With this hotness.
We are hot.
Have some salt and pepper, because you got to season. I'm getting a facial from the smoke.
You're looking good, Hal. You're looking good.
It's good for the complexion.
So once that cooks down a little bit, everything gets going. We're going to deglaze this with anisette, or we got Pernod today. So stand back. This could be a little fire-ish. And this is going to give it more of a licorice flavor. But that's going to cook down. You smell that? You smell that licorice? And that's what the real decadent flavor comes from.
Oh, okay.
So, and then we have a little bit of heavy cream. We're going to add that in.
Oh my gosh, that looks good just like that.
Yeah.
And then it just reduces till the cream is, you know, it's almost gone. And what you see what they use at the restaurant, it's like a paste almost that they put on top of the oysters. We top it with a little Parmesan cheese and a little bit of our candy bacon.
I have never known why I loved Oysters Rockefeller so much, but now I understand.
Buttercream, garlic, you know.
Yeah.
So you can volunteer to shuck an oyster. I like shucking oysters on a table on a flat surface. So
Yeah, I've never known how to do this.
These bent tip oyster knives are my favorite. You put the tip up. So you're going to try to get in this little hole right here. And you're just going to wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it. Don't go too hard. You just want to wiggle it and
just
turn it. So let me show you on this one here.
How many of these do your chefs do a day in season? I mean, it must be crazy.
A lot, at least 3 or 4 sheet pans. So you're just going to turn it a little bit, and then what I do is I take it and I'll run it along the top shell.
Looks easy when you do it. I know.
Is it easier with a large oyster or a small oyster?
All the same. So then you get that. And you
this is my first one.
You did it.
Don't tell David. He always shucks them for me.
And the trick is you always want to cut the bottom. So you want to cut it off the bottom so it comes off easily. You ever been to a restaurant, they give you a bunch of oysters, and they just stick to the shell. It's like, why did they cut it off the bottom? I can't, you know, I got to pull it off the bottom. So.
Okay, and then what do I do with this piece? Just that stays there.
That's just like the ligament that attaches it. So
we don't take those off? Okay.
So we put these on the sheet.
Okay.
Basically, our sauce is almost ready. No, you're good. You're good. I got a couple already done. We got the sauce here.
That was impressive, Nikki. I was nervous.
This dish, it's a traditional thing at Harry's. We run as a special all the time. This month, it is on our Coastal Vibes prefix. We've got a 3-course prefix. $49, add wine pairings. There's 4 choices each course. We've got the Gulf Shrimp Tower here with mango, pico de gallo, guacamole, chopped up shrimp, tortilla chips. We've got the oysters, and we have an escargot on there for the entrees. We have the scallops with coconut risotto, a charred chili sauce, and then we have a local tile fish over here, Mediterranean style with sauteed spinach, and it's got some artichoke hearts on it.
Again, that's a special seafood menu for October. This is the best month to support our local restaurants. There's so many wonderful specials around.
So we use this, we top it off. Usually this is cold when we put it on, but we'll do this right now.
And then this.
And then we have a little cheese, and then we'll stick them in the oven, and then
And will this be served at your event?
This will also be served at we have an event on the 18th. It's called the Saltwater Social. It's a Saturday night. Put that right there.
They smell so good.
And that's coming up. You can get information online about that as well. So a seafood event supporting sustainable seafood, a seafood tasting menu throughout the month of October with 3 courses, and Oysters Rockefeller back on the menu because our local Gulf oysters are in season. What a classic, beautiful dish. For more information about the wonderful things going on at Harry's Continental Kitchen, go to harryskitchen.com. And luxury is served. It's been an indulgent wind down Wednesday.
Yes, it has.
And we have enjoyed. We will be right back.
Great.